Clicky the Typewriter. Once upon a time, high up in the sunny hills of Shimla, lived a little boy named Rohan. Rohan loved to draw and play, but sometimes his letters looked a little wobbly. In his dad's cozy study, next to a big window that showed the snowy mountain, sat a funny machine. It was a typewriter. This typewriter wasn't just a machine. It was bright blue with rainbow-colored keys, and its name was Clicky. Clicky loved to make sounds, click, clack, ding. When Rohan came into the study, Clicky would wing a shiny metal bar. One sunny afternoon, Rohan's dad, Rohan, would you like to meet Clicky? Clicky can help us write our letters nice and straight. Rohan's eyes went wide. He carefully touched Clicky's key. What do they do? He whispered. Each key has a letter, Dad said, pointing. See, this one is A and this one is B. Clicky seemed excited. As Rohan gently pressed the A key, Clicky went click, and a perfect A appeared on the paper. Rohan giggled. He pressed B, and Clicky went clack, making a beautiful B. Rohan spent the whole afternoon with Clicky. He typed his name Rohan, and Clicky went click, clack, click, click, ding at the end of his name, just like it was happy to. From that day on, Rohan loved visiting Clicky in the study, and Clicky helped him learn all his ABCs, making writing fun and easy. And even though Clicky was a machine, Rohan felt like it was his special clickety clackety friend.